In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 79 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. If we subtract, we get 3. Now as 3 is less than 4, that is why we will bring down this number 9 here. Now 4 times 9 is 36. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 4, but we have no number to bring down here. That is why we will borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4. That is why we will again borrow one zero. And we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 79 divided by 4 is equal to 19.75. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.